All right, I'm going to teach you about the proper way of using an anchor. So the first thing you want to do is you want to do it where your door is coming here. Okay, you don't want to have it where you put it here, so when you pull it, you can pull the door open. You get what I'm saying? So you always want to have it where your door hinge, I guess you could say, is to your right. All right. So what you would do from the top, okay? I will put this down like this. I will close the door, and I'll pull it. See? Not going nowhere. Okay. Or that's the high level. That's you do a lot of down from high to low exercises. Now, if you want to have exercise from the waist, I will go here. I will drop it like this, and then usually I'll just close it. All right. So now I have this level. Okay. All right. I'm gonna show you if you need to shorten your band. All right. If it's too low for what you need, all you can do is here. All right, now this is your stopper. So bring your stopper to the bottom, then you can just tie a knot. See, tie a knot. And now I will put this through like this, and I will close it. And now it's shorter, you see? So this is how you can shorten it, just put a knot in it. Again, you always want the door coming here. You don't want to come and pull in where you pull and you can open the door. All right, and that's the proper way of using your anchor. Okay, next I'm going to teach you of how to attach your band. Okay, so I have two different bands I have. All right, I have a small one, a thin one. This is what I use for like my smaller muscles, my biceps, my shoulders. All right, triceps, my abs. This one I use the next size up thicker one, and I will use for like chest, back, legs, because my big muscles are stronger than my smaller muscles. So I'm gonna show you how this works. Very easy. I just get here, I will pull it, I will bring it through the hole, and just pull it. That's it. Okay, you always want to keep it on the plastic part. All right, same thing. I will go here, again, pull it through, booyah. All right, again, you want to close it here. And now you have your bands of what you need to use, okay? All right, again, I'm gonna show you one more time, all right? Again, I pull it through, I go inside, or if you wanna go under, doesn't matter. It all goes the same. If it goes under or under, it does not matter. And now you have it. And this is how you attach your band. All right, so I'm gonna show you how you can use your handles. Your handles are good because, again, you can do shoulder press, curls, pull, chest press, front, out, in, squats, whatever you want to use. So with this, okay, anything I do is pulling. I can go here, all right, and I could pull it this way. So if I want to have anything pulling forward or pushing this way, you see, all right, or I can go inside the hose. If that's the easier way for you to process, you go inside, and then I have this face on the outside. You see the face on the outside, okay? And now I can do my press, right? Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to put the handle from the bottom. So again, all I'm gonna do is just put it in between the side holes, just like this. All right, so anytime I'll just step on it, and then this is what I can do curls, right? If I have my lighter bands, then of course I can do front raises with, right? So these dumbbells handles are awesome, good for exercise, okay? So again, all you have to do is just put it in between the slits, and you are good to go. But if you have thicker bands, the big, thick ones, you need to put it on the outside. So I'm gonna show you how you can put your bands up. So you can just wrap your bands. You can just wrap them around here, wrap it, pull it, and that's how you can put your bands right up. And you can wrap them up so it's real nice, it's real neat, put them to the side, you're good to go. When you're done, you just unravel them, and now you're good with your bands. Let's go.